Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And look at this super cool 2016 Toyota CAMRY XSE. XSE stands for Extra Special Edition. I really love that interior with that special leather inserts with that red stitching. Look at it. Super nice. This is all soft leather. This is a really cool vehicle. Not only that, the red stitching on its own steering wheel, and it even has a pedal shifters. The owner requested a replacement of windshield wipers. So let's go to do it together. That gives us opportunity for a very simple tech video. And I guess it should be very easy because they are not hiding underneath the hood. There is no difficult access. There is again, unfortunately, that shine from the skylights, but this is the passenger side, and if you will see the difference, this one is super short. It's an 18-inch, and this one, which is in front of the driver, it's very long, and it's a 26-inch. How you specify the length? Well, you can always call Napa, AutoZone, or O'Reilly, and if you give them your license plate, or with Toyota, you can give them your VIN number, which is right there. They will tell you exactly what length and what type of windshield wipers you need. So the first step is here to lift that windshield wiper, and now it's only a question how to unhook it. And I believe in this case it has this protective clip which will stop the wiper from falling off. Let's go grab the camera, zoom on it, and you will see what I mean. And this is the area I was talking about. Here is the arm which is attached to the vehicle, and this is windshield wiper itself. I need to pop this up. Look at it. That actually serves, this clip serves as a stopper for the windshield wiper. Let's show it bigger right now, the full length. It stops it from accidentally falling off, disconnecting. After this, look at it. It just slides down and the whole wiper, it's off, and I can go and get a new one. I got him that rain guard, which has a 1-year warranty. That means if within 1 year it will make you any noises or it will not work correctly, sweeping the windshield incorrectly, you can actually replace it with the new unit. I believe I said it already, it's a 26, and each of these boxes open differently, but basically this is what you're looking at. It comes with some adapters, but they will be not needed. So you are with me. I will be basically doing the same. I need to hook that inside, and it needs to go this way. So if you look at it, it needs to hook from here. So I'm getting there this way. And I'm forcing it up. Did you hear that click? This is absolutely fantastic. And I basically have it connected to the arm. Now, if you push on it, it will not fall off, because to remove it, you will have to push a tab which is hiding down here. So, now I will stop, because I want to first clean the windshield before I will put that arm down there. I don't want to put it in the dirt, dust, sand. So first cleaning. And there's just a little bit of it, a little bit of dust. If it was more, I will probably take a bucket with the water. I don't want to obviously scrape the windshield. And now I can put it down. But if you will leave it this way, you will start using the windshield wipers. You will freak out and say, hey, what did I buy for a junk? It's worse than the old ones which I just have replaced. And that's because that rubber blade, when it's being shipped to you or sold to you, comes with this plastic cover. It's supposed to protect it from maybe being pinched, right? It's a precise rubber blade which will be cleaning that windshield. So they protect it with this sleeve. So you have to first, can you see it completely? Yeah, you have to first to pull the sleeve off, remove it, because this is not the blade, it's just protector. And after that, you finally can put it down. I like it. Let's go and do the other side. I think I will stay on this side. This is still that arm, it's close to me. So again, the hood is not in the way. I will use this prying tool, lift it up, and that lets me to undo it from the arm. Here we go, the small one. And I will do the same thing here. I will reach over. Hopefully you see this shape on the wiper. I will reach there and push it up. Now look, when I push back, down, it will not come. To remove it, you will have to push a pin right here. So I know this will not fall off when the owner will be driving. I will remove this sleeve. Uh-oh, watch out for the paint. And before I will lower it, I will run right behind you to clean that dust and dirt which was here on the bottom part. After that, I will lower the blade with the arm, and now I have both of them installed. Let's go and test them together. I'm back with the key. Let's put it in ignition. I will not start it up so I can breathe here. And I'm assuming when I pull it towards to me, it will be sweeping and spraying. So let's go. Oh yeah. Guys, this is so incredible because he knew it's bad. When he brought the vehicle, I went on the test drive and I used the sprayer and the old windshield wipers, and it will not really make any change. I should have shown it first. This is fantastic. These wipers are really good quality. They are perfectly cleaning that windshield. I love it. Look at it. You can see every single detail, like the glass it's not there. That's success. Even looking from here, the dust and dirt, which was all over the windshield, almost all of it is gone. So it was a simple video, and now everybody knows how easy it is to replace the windshield wipers on 2016 Toyota Camry. So everybody can do it. There's no excuse not to do it yourself, isn't it? But there actually is. For those who are afraid even this is too difficult and they cannot accomplish this, I have a good news too. If you will go to O'Reilly, give them your license plate, they will look up your windshield wipers, they will give you all the options from the cheap to expensive or vice versa. They will sell it to you and they will install it for you for free. So life is easy, isn't it? I hope you liked this simple video. If you did, please give it a thumb up, be subscribed, have all the notifications pushed so you can catch the next video which is coming very soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.